Hi everyone, this is Yash Kedia and you are watching my channel Yash Inspire Be Inspired. In the last video, I talked about how you can increase your self-motivation to a great extent. In today's video, I'll be talking about a much awaited, much desired topic, and that is what to do in lockdown quarantine. Yes, you heard it right. I have been pondering upon this question lately and I have come up with some few suggestions, excellent suggestions that no motivation speakers or other YouTubers will talk about ever. And today I'm going to disclose some tips that I have been personally following myself and have been able to make my life entertaining, amazing and full of learning. Alright, so the thing number one that you can do in your leisure time is to watch movies. Oh my god, what the hell? Now I'm suggesting you to do something that can even destroy your lives as per the other motivation speakers or YouTubers or those people who are recommending you to use those 24 hours of the day fruitfully and wisely. But what I'm doing right now is the same thing. In this video, I'll be really practical with you, and let me tell this, your brain is programmed in such a way that it needs rest. So if you're thinking about working continuously, you cannot do that. And it's common sense, right? Because before lockdown, you're working hard, and after the lockdown opens, you'll still be working hard. So where is the leisure time that you can enjoy? So right now is the time to have some popcorn and enjoy some cheap Netflix. Netflix is available at very cheap price. You have Amazon Prime. You have a lot of movie sources from where you can watch amazing movies. And keep in mind that I'm talking about watching good movies only. Please replace the word movies with good movies. The reason is the good movies can be able to change your perspectives, can provide you quality education, and trust me or not, I have been able to change my life just by watching good movies. So why should I not suggest you something that can be life-changing as well as entertaining? Who doesn't love this? And yes, you guessed it right. My thing number two is to earn money. Now, how exactly do you earn money while you are at home? You can search in the YouTube how to earn money at home, and you can do a lot of things. Personally speaking, I am a freelance writer. I earn money by writing content, and it might not be the same with you depending on the talents that you have. You might be good at painting, you might be good at singing, so you might be good at dancing, or you can even create a YouTube channel right now. So what can you do? What can you do apart from watching movies? You can use your time to upgrade yourself. You can earn a lot of money by writing content, or by singing, by making videos, or by making podcasts, or by publishing ebooks and whatnot. So there are plenty of resources out there on YouTube that will guide you step by step to earn money digitally. And believe me, in this era of digitization, one can only be a fool if one doesn't utilize the power of social media and freelancing. Now, while you can come up with really creative ways to earn money digitally, you can also increase your creativity by reading books. Yes, so thing number three is read books. Now, how can you exactly carry on to read books if you are not a reader? So the thing is, reading is a skill and it needs to be developed. Now, many people, including myself, cannot go on after reading around like say 25 to 30 pages and get tired and lack the patience to complete the book. This happened long back in 2018, where I really struggled to read books. But you have to break this obstacle. You have to be determined to read at least a book in, let's say, 2 months or 3 months, depending on your pace. And very easily you can gather up the pace, and you can even finish off a book in a day or in a week at most. So how can you go on about reading and why you should read? You see, reading can open up new doors for your brain as well as for your life. Now, books can be really life-changing and can protect you from many harms that life can shoot at you. Alright, let me ask you a question. Do you live long enough to learn all from your own experiences? Yes or no? Well, it's definitely a rhetoric question, but now you understand why I'm asking you to read books. So you have to learn from the experiences of the others, and you do not live enough to learn all from your own experiences. When you start learning from the experiences of others, from the mistakes of the others, you become wiser and wiser day by day, and you become an excellent decision maker. Wait, now I can hear someone screaming, how exactly do I read books when I don't have any physical book with me? Now that's really a stupid question, because in this digitization you have the books in your mobile phones. Now how exactly do you get those books? You have Kindle, you have a lot of different sites from where you can get the books for free. Now you have to search out for those, and you can definitely go on to read. Now you have only two choices to read: either read digitally or read physically. So the best place to start, if you do not have a physical book, is to go and read digitally and upgrade your reading and comprehension skills. Let's come to thing number 4, and you may like it or you may hate it. Well, the thing number 4 is you can boost your career by studying. Now you may scream at me, you may hate me for what I am telling you to do. It may not sound appealing, but it is always an opportunity to develop your career. If you are in science, or if you are even in commerce or arts, or even if you are a student, or whatever you are studying, or whatever the lockdown has interrupted, you can continue with your studies. You can continue with the subject you love, with the subject you have chosen to build your career upon, and you can do a lot of explorations with your career. Now there are a lot of sources available online. There are classes, and believe me or not, some classes are being offered even for free, just to support, just to boost your career. So me as a chartered accountant student, I am actually studying more of the laws and the other rules governing the financial statements and blah blah blah. So you can do the same thing. You can enhance your career and you can get an edge over the others. Thing number 5 is to focus on your own body. Now I'm not talking about being a macho man or having a big biceps or having a six-pack abs, and for the girls especially, how to do makeup and how to be a beauty queen. I'm not talking about all those. I'm talking about seriously improving your health and your immune system. Now amid this pandemic, you already know how demonic this COVID-19 is, and is taking away more lives every day. So now what you need to do is to focus on your health. You have to bring back your health, and you have to improve your diet, your immune system, your hormonal balances. And how do you exactly do that? You have to refer to various blogs and articles, videos. You'll get countless of topics on people advising you, guiding you step by step to improve your health and completely eradicate your health issues. And do I need to say that a healthy mind resides in a healthy body? Thing number 6, this is really very important. Please spread wisdom. Now, what I'm doing right now is spreading wisdom, spreading my own knowledge, teaching others to live a good life. You can be an academic teacher, or you can be a sports player, or you can be a master in psychology, or you can help others improve their health. So you can communicate with the others, and there will not be even a single problem. There will be no communication gap, because we have YouTube, we have Facebook, we have Instagram, we have Twitter, we have Snapchat. We have so many things through which you can communicate with others. There are a lot of networks where you can express your opinion, and one such network is Leher, which I discovered a few months back, and I make videos there too. I express my opinions, and it's really lovely to see, lawyers sharing their concerns, sharing their arguments, having debates on Facebook. And there are a lot of things that you can teach others and help others to establish themselves in their niche. And what I'm doing right now is exactly what I'm saying you. I am also preaching my knowledge, whatever I am doing, but keep in mind that preach only those things that you yourself know. Do not tell somebody to tell 12 hours a day unless you yourself can do that. So keep that in mind, and you can be a teacher. You have the opportunity to become a good teacher. You have an opportunity to become a YouTuber. If not today, there is no tomorrow. You have to start spreading knowledge, spreading wisdom from today itself, and make the world better. Alright, let's now summarize those 6 things. Thing number 1, you can watch meaningful movies. Please note the word meaningful. If you do not watch meaningful movies, your life will become full of negatives and you will not be an optimistic person. Number 2, you can be a freelancer. You can use your hobbies, you can use your skills to earn a good amount of money. Number 3, you can read books either digitally or physically and upgrade your reading and comprehension skills along with your creativity. Number 4, you can enhance your career by studying, by making use of the various free sources that are available with you. You can kickstart your career, you can get an edge, and you can be at the top. You can be the winner here if you use the opportunity to spend your time studying for your career. Number 5, you love your body, you have to improve it. You have to improvise upon your health. You have to make your immune system strong, especially during times like this. Number 6, spread wisdom. This is very, very important. Whatever knowledge you have, please spread that knowledge so that others can gain some valuable insights from you. Alright, the last thing you can do is to go to my channel, or below the video you will find a red colored subscribe button. Please press on it, and you're not done here. Also press the bell icon and click on the all option. What this will do is it will notify you whenever my new video rolls out on YouTube. Also, do not forget to check my website, the link for which I have provided below. It is yashinspire, beinspired.blogspot.com. You can check out my website, you can subscribe to my channel, you can support me in any way possible, and I'll keep making better, awesome videos for you. So, bidding you goodbye, stay well, stay healthy, stay wealthy, stay happy, be inspired.